With the class, we still want to treat more questions on heat energy, but this time around we'll be examining heat loss in a vacuum flask by treating this question. But the main reason, down 2000 question 22, the main reason for making the cover of a vacuum flask airtight is to prevent heat loss by A. Conduction, evaporation, radiation, and convection. For us to treat this question and understand the concept, a vacuum flask has its walls with backing, and that can only be corrected by conduction. The vacuum between the walls of a vacuum flask can be corrected using conduction. The one for radiation, the reason why the inside of a vacuum flask is silver, we have silver wall, is to prevent heat loss by radiation. So the best answer here, why the vacuum flask is airtight, is to prevent heat loss by convection. See you in my next video. This information is very vital. Let's share the information to the less privileged people. Some don't have this information. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.